Good evening, hello, good day, and welcome to another unboxing by Casual Razzle Dazzle. Today, we've got a really special unboxing today with ConfettiCollection.com. And the box is huge. Look at this. And look at this. I gotta back up here. That's how it comes. Look at that. And it's got confetti in there. Check that out, huh? Can't wait to dig into this one. This one's gonna be fun. Okay, so beneath the bubble wrap, we have a lot of confetti. Woo! And it's in pink. It's a nice pink wrapper. This is gonna probably make a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. We'll clean it up. Isn't that pretty? That looks nice. And this is a nice big box. Oh, I'm excited. This looks so exciting. Especially these big ones. It's like opening a Christmas present. Oh my. Oh my, it really is like opening a present. This is wonderful. There we go. Look at it. Rip it open. Treasure Hunt 2. Everything's in plastic. Wow. Okay. Who doesn't love the thrill of a treasure hunt? Okay. We've curated some of our favorite treasures just for you. So start hunting through this box to see what they are. We'd love to see your unboxing videos. Okay. Well, wow. Check it out. That's awesome. Okay, I love this. This is great. This is going to be so much fun. Oh my goodness. There's nothing more fun. I love unboxing anyways, but when you've got something like this, look at this. Look at this. Check that out. Wow. Okay. This is wonderful. So, we'll see what's in here. Wow, there's a lot in here, people. You guys. And even the box, everything, the tissue, and I mean, there's a lot of love went into this. I can just tell. I can tell. There was a lot of love and a lot of we really care about you. It comes in, see, a package like this. Look at that. And you know, you'd think something like this would be hugely expensive, and it's not. It really wasn't. I'm poor. I don't have any money. I haven't got 2 pennies to rub together. So trust me when I tell you that if I can buy it, if I can do it, you can do it. You don't have to. But let's see. Pick up the first thing that I see here. Looks really cool. Paper goods. Inspiration. Oh, it's little books. It's 3 little books. Look at that. Inspirational books. Okay. See, look at that. Comes 3 books. That. So we just untie the little. Open it right up. This nice little ribbon. And then we've got 3 little, I love, you know, this matches my makeup bag because it's like a marble pattern and it's the same color and everything. It's like my makeup bag. Inspiration, so they're blank. So when I'm a writer and I'm always getting ideas, there you go. Inspirations for books. And then there's a little notebook here. Same thing. Same thing. I can use it as a writer and goals. So anything you want, look at that. It's like 3 little notebooks. 3 little notepad books. Awesome. And they could be used for anything. They can be used for anything. That's fantastic. I love that alone. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh my, what is this here? Oh, okay, look at that. It's got a weekly calendar, 52 sheets. Look at that. So you could just, hey, this day I got to do this, this day I got to do this day I got to do. That's pretty cool, and then you can have it right in front of you, wherever you happen to be, whether it's in your office, or your bedroom, or in your bathroom. You can remind yourself, this is cool, because it's, instead of having a big, just one big calendar on the wall in one room, there you go. And it's got 52 sheets, so you can either use one a week, or if you want, if you don't want to use the whole, you can use, you could use, this is my idea, obviously, you know, there's one for every week of the year, but I don't know. To me, it's like I could use it in different rooms, and then have different, you know, have ideas, maybe remodeling ideas or things that you need to do that you want to remind yourself several times, because I forget everything. So that this will come in handy on that. Put it on the refrigerator, wherever. That's good too. That's wonderful. Anything that I can, that's writing related for me, reminder related, because I forget my head if it wasn't attached, and I like it. So let's see what else we got here. Oh, we got a keychain. Just what my keys need, a keychain. My keys that are this long don't necessarily need another keychain, but that's okay. Let me see, what do we got here? This is fun stuff. It's fun stuff. Keychain. And it's got glasses. It's like little eyes. I'm gonna see that. It's a keychain of little eyes, and it's 3D. It's poofy. A woman is helpless only when her nail polish is drying. That's what it says. I don't wear nail polish, only because I'm around the horses all the time. My nails are just, I don't even bother with them. But there's a lot of good things to gift out as well. Oh, never mind. This is very good. Oh, it has nothing to do really about nail polish, which is great, because since I don't use nail polish, but I do try to take care of my hands. Check this out. Oh my goodness gracious, and it's gold. It's got everything. Check that. Is that awesome or what? Check that out. It's got the little scissors, nail clippers. Oh my God. Files. I do file my nails, and I do clip them because they get broken, little pieces all over the place. Cuticle cleaners and tweezers. Anybody can use this. I don't care who you are. So this is wonderful. And look at that color. Is that beautiful or what? I love it. I love it. And this is the kind of stuff that, at least for me, I always forget to buy this kind of stuff for myself. And then I'm going, oh, I wish I had, you know, and so it's great to get this kind of stuff. And I like this. This is nice. This confetti. This is good because it's different. I mean, most of my subscriptions are for makeup. You know, just makeup. So this is nice. This is a really nice gift. Oh, trinkets. It's like a little dish. Very pretty. It's like a little dish. Don't tell anybody, but this will be great for my cat's food. I guess you can use it for, you know, put your keys in, put whatever you want in there. Me, every time I see a little dish, all I think of is, oh, my cat needs a new dish. Sorry about that. I hope they don't. The company doesn't mind that I'm an animal person, and most things that come to my head are animal related. Do not worry, be happy. Do not worry. Oh, well, that's a gift. Look at that. It's socks. Look at the socks. It's little confetti socks. Oh, wow. Oh, that's awesome. I always use socks. I'm always going, where are my socks? I lost a sock. The other day I was wearing 2 different socks. And my mother saw, she says, why are you wearing 2 different socks? I said, I don't know. The next day, she says, you're wearing different socks again. I said, well, I wore a pair just like them yesterday. So, there we go. And they match. So, that's nice. That's a nice gift. File folders. Really, file folders. Do these people know that I'm a writer? Again, something that comes in handy. File folders are always, wow. And they got little quote marks on them. They're like little quotes. These people read minds. Do you read minds over there? How'd you know that I'm a writer? So, these are wonderful and will definitely come in handy. That is fabulous. And I love the color, you know, different colors. Put different things in them, different files. Oh my goodness. Okay. You know what? I gotta get a hold of these people at Confetti Collection because they have to know I'm a writer, and I do not remember ever telling them that I am a writer, professional writer. Look at this, okay? A document portfolio. Look at this. Document folio. Come on, how did you know? I mean, look at that. These are like, this is like someone sent me a gift box specifically for a writer. Someone who writes books. Wow. Which, by the way, you can find all my books on Amazon.com. Just look up my name, Christine Church, and ignore the religious books because for some reason there happens to be an awful lot. There's a religion or something called the Christine Church. It's my name. But if you look up fantasy, romance, anything like that under my name, you should hopefully find my books. Check that out. I gotta look at this. I have to see this. This is great. Wow. Oh, wow. It's Christmas for sure. How did they know? I really want to know. And my birthday's in a couple weeks, too. So this is like probably the best birthday gift I'll get. I don't get anything anymore. Everybody figures once you get to a certain age, you don't want to celebrate your birthday anymore. But I still do. Oh, this is wonderful. Wow, it's so pretty. And it's got a little clasp thing here. One suggestion, it would have been nice if the clasp had been magnetic. But it's okay, it's a snap. A snap clasp. So that'll work too. Wow. Is that it? That's it? Well, I can't complain, that's for sure. Wow. Okay. That's what's in that box. That is fantastic. I got clothes. I got all kinds of stuff for my writing career. I got cute little gift items. I got stuff for my fingers to make my hands pretty. And I got confetti all over my office. That's okay. Oh, totally worth it. So, yeah, if you want a really fun subscription, here you go.